So somebody came in yesterday, a very special somebody, and left a little gift for you. To open on air.
Really?
Well, it's not a plant, I would say.
It's even got my name on it.
We'll tell you who it is after you open. Maybe you could guess.
I'll guess. We'll see if I can guess. I can't believe I'm getting a gift. I'm so excited.
Right? I can't believe you already as many times you've asked for it.
I know.
All the times he's
Finally
like,
got a
y'all
present.
get me something.
What do we have here? Oh my God. Who did this?
There you go.
Really?
Pansy
This is
Killer.
kind of rude. I know who did this. I guarantee I know who did this. Joyce, I bet.
You got it. Yes, it was Joyce. Great to see you yesterday, Joyce.
Joyce, you had this shirt made for me. Like, did she get it made? Surely you can't just find this, huh?
I bet she made it.
It's
Joyce, you're so crafty.
It is so good.
It has sleeves on it. Are you going to take care of that?
I'm gonna cut the sleeves off, Joyce.
I love that,
and
it's
I
bloody.
will wear it. But I got to be honest with you. The pansies are not totally dead. Okay, I was going to tell you a little bit about that later.
So we get an update now.
Oh, they don't die. They don't. That's why pansy has a very negative connotation as far as something that's not weak. Something that's not strong is something that is inherently weak, and pansies are not weak.
No.
The plants are quite resilient, and they come back really well.
Yeah.
So
you know what else? Yeah, I'm a little bit mad at Joyce right now. She got me an extra large. Joyce, I wear a large.
Uh-oh.
You just straight up went to extra large?
Hot water.
Extra room for the ego.
Oh.
Thanks, Tyler. You're just over there loving it. Y'all are all just
Strays
loving this.
coming from the side.
I tell you
over
what.
there.
He needed a 4X for that.
Yeah. David, there he is. Well, thanks, Joyce. This is very sweet. It's a great gift.
Well, we can't wait to see you in that shirt.
Well,
without any sleeves on.
It's going to happen. After the show, I'll cut the sleeves off, pop it on.
All right. Well, give us an update on those pansies.
And that is a good transitional from winter into spring shirt to wear.
Yeah.
Because, you say, hey, it's time to kill the pansies, be done with them. So and we're not there yet, obviously. But once we get into late March, early April, you need to be making that transition. It's just one of those things that's difficult to do because just like it's hard to get rid of the summer annuals in the fall, the pansies are equally so in the spring.
I think Austin likes to get ahead of the game.
Yeah.
That's what I think.
Thanks, Tyler. I will give you an update on the pansies. Y'all do know that the 12-degree night, I froze them out with water. All the foliage looked awful. They pretty much turned to mush. Well, they've gotten better. All right. Now, what's interesting, I will say, I use blue and white pansies, okay? The white pansies, before I made my mistake, were the champions of the pot. They were showing the most color, looking the best, okay? After the event, where I pretty much pansy killed them, they came back or whatever, and it's fine. This morning, I was looking at them. Foliage still doesn't look very good, y'all. Not going to lie. Foliage is kind of rough. But the blue pansies are showing so much color. I mean, the pot is lit up with blue pansies right now. So, just so you know, flower power is there. Foliage power, not so much yet. Whenever weather starts to warm in the spring, it's going to be better. Joyce, then I'll rejoice.
Well,
There it is.